Hi, good day ma'am. I'm James Romanes and I'm here to explain about the description of a process of an Ethernet cable. Ethernet is a method of physically connecting computers and other network devices. This is commonly known as a local area network or LAN. The idea behind the Ethernet network is that computers and other devices can efficiently share files, information, and data among themselves. Ethernet cables are used to connect devices to a local area network and to provide an internet connection. They connect to internet ports on various devices. An Ethernet cable is mostly commonly used to connect a Wi-Fi router or modem to an internet entry port or telephone line. It can also be used to hardwire devices such as television, computers, and other devices that rely on internet or a network to function. So these are the things that is needed to create your own Ethernet cable. First, the RG45 connector is a standardized interface that is commonly used to connect a computer to a local area network or LAN. This connector was designed originally for telephone communication but is now used on a variety of applications. RG45 is an abbreviation of registered jack 45. Cat5 cable, also known as Cat5, is a twisted pair cable used in computer networks. The cable supports up to 100 MHz of bandwidth and is suitable for most types of Ethernet over twisted pair. Cat5 is also used to transport other signals. Lastly, the crimping tool is a tool used to join or connect two pieces of material by compressing them together to form a connecting bond. This hand tool is set to desired pressure required to effectively join two subjects together for secure seal that allows a connection to be made. So these are the steps on how to crimp RG45. So first, remove 1 inch or 25 millimeter of a cable to an end using crimping tool. Insert the cable into a tool stripper section here and squeeze it tightly. Then using a smooth and even motion, rotate the crimping tool around the cable to make a clean cut. To remove the sheeting, keep the tool clamp and pull away from the wire ends. The stripping section is round hole near the tool's handle. The sheeting should easily peel away, exposing the wires. So here is the 8 wires. So first, we cut this plastic which divides them into 4. So done. Straighten and untwist the wires inside the cable. Our smaller wires that are being twisted together, separate and straighten the twisted wires so they can be sorted into a correct order. So I already removed the plastic separator. If any wires are cut or removed, you will be unable to crimp them into a connector. So first we must straighten them. Here, arrange the wire in the proper sequence. Put the wire in the proper order with your finger so they can be crimped properly. The proper sequence is as follows from left to right. So first, white orange or orange white. Here. Then next is orange. Orange. green, white, green, white, then blue. It's kind of difficult. Then white, blue, then green, brown, white, then brown. Arrange them and careful not to destroy the proper sequence. Sorry, it's kind of hard. There are 8 wires in total that need to be arranged in the right sequence. Note that the wires labeled orange or white or brown white indicate the small wires that have 2 colors. From the sheeting, cut the wires into an even line or a straight line. To keep the wires in place, use your thumb or index finger, then use the crimping tool to cut the section, to cut them into an even line. The tool cutting section is resembled wire cutters. To properly crimp the into RG45 connector, the wires must be an even line. If you cut them in a regular line, move down the wire and cut them again. Place the wires in the RG45 connector. Hold the RG45 connector with the clip. Bottom and the small metal pins is facing up. And also, the RG45 is facing up. Insert the cable into the connector so that each of the small wires fits into the connector's small grooves. The cable sheeting should fit inside the connector past the base. It's so hard. Sorry. So done inserting the RG45 to the cables. Insert the connector. Before you insert the connector, make sure to check if it's in correct order. If it's still in correct order, so it will not fail and it will keep fail. So here, insert the connector into the tool's crimping section. This holes section and squeeze twice. Insert the connector in the crimping section of the tool until it's longer fits. If you hear that crack, it means it is already crimped. Then squeeze it again to ensure that all pins are pushed down. So here, remove the cable from the tool and double check if all the pins are pointing downward. Remove the connector from the tool and examine the pins to ensure that they are all pushed down in an even line. Gently tug on the connector to ensure it is connected to a cable. If any pins are not pushed down, recrimp the wire with the crimping tool. And thank you. Thank you for listening, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Good day.